Good afternoon, welcome. This is Jamb year 2014 government pass question. Question number 11 says the development of a classless society is the goal of dash. The development of a classless society is the goal of dash. So this question means who propagates the idea of classless society. Option A, conservative. B, feudalism. C, liberalism. D, Marxism. The school of thought school of thought that propagates this philosophy, who is Karl Marx, championed by Karl Marx. Karl Marx is named on behalf of the school of thought called Marxism. He believed in classless society, that is, everything owned in the country that belongs to the state or society belongs to everybody in the society. So, and that is the sense of classless society. So option D is correct. Thank you, and kindly subscribe for more videos.